what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am in Berlin right now, and honestly it's been pouring rain all day, so I haven't really filmed anything yet, but I'm here with my friend Emma. We took the bus from Prague yesterday, and I'm here for 3 whole days. Emma's leaving tomorrow night. She's already been here before, so today we're kind of just walking around, getting a vibe for the city, going into some cafes and doing some shopping, probably visiting a few museums, but after she leaves is when I'm really gonna do the history part of the city because she's already done all of that stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've never properly been to Germany. I've just drove through it on road trips before. So yeah, super psyched to explore. The vegan version for the first time. And basically it's a sausage flavored with curry. Typical German, right? Am I doing a good job? It has tomato sauce,
curry powder, and paprika.
Yes, and it looks delicious. And right now we are inside a market hall grabbing some treats, and Emma just went to a vegan grocery store called Vegans with a Z to grab some snacks for her flight because she's about to fly back to Spain. We don't have very much time left together, but we're gonna try to hit up some vintage shops before I leave to go on a walking tour and learn more about Berlin. There you go. I just finished up at the walking tour. It was only 3 hours long, but I learned so much. I'm so glad I did it. We went to a lot of the major sites and the major monuments, and our tour guide was awesome. She was super passionate about everything. She told the stories so beautifully and respectfully. So I would definitely recommend it. It's totally free, the one that I did. I'll link it down below. And then you just give a tip at the end, which I think actually probably in the end makes them more money, because I definitely felt more inclined to give more money in the end because she did such a good job than maybe I would have in the beginning, not knowing how the tour would go. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I went to school in America and learned about World War II and the Cold War era, all from an American perspective. So to hear it from a more neutral stance was really nice, and yeah, I learned a lot. I am walking back to my place right now. I'm pretty tired. I've been traveling nonstop for the past almost 2 weeks, I think. So it's Saturday night. It's only like 6:30 p.m. but I'm going to stay in for the night. And then I have all day tomorrow for my last day in Berlin. So I'll see you guys then. Windy, so I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but I am down by the Spree River, I hope I'm saying that right, and I'm about to go explore the East Side Gallery, which is the longest stretch of the Berlin Wall that's still standing. And it's now basically an outdoor art gallery because after East and West Berlin united, they invited over 100 artists to come and put art along the wall. Park right now with my friend Taki. Hello, Taki. Who I met in my yoga school in India, and he lives in Berlin, so I figured I'll come meet up with him. We actually met up on Friday too. And I'm here with a friend that I randomly met on the street. Do you want to be in the video? Hi. This is Felicity, or Fliss, whichever one is easier for you to say. Anyways, we're just in the flea market. It's Sunday. I'm super happy that I'm here on Sunday because this, I think, is a really iconic thing to do here. So yeah.